when we push ourselves physically too much, too often, too much, or when we push others too much, like trying to force, control, put people in a box, like direct people, be it our children or our partner, too much pushing, too much forcing, too much effort, too much strain and strenuous activity, that can deplete and stress out our relationship or our bodies, okay? I'd highly recommend not doing this and going a much more organic route with more harmony and balance, and that will lead to peace and health and well-being of your physical body and a relationship. Try and watch and observe what makes you become stressed or pushy or reactive, and work on tempering, controlling yourself a bit more. Don't try and control your emotions though, because that's force and pushing your emotional body around the place. Instead, try and relax and be okay with any emotions you have, but just try and rest and relax and soften up in terms of expressing strong emotions, okay? And try and not act out in these emotions when it comes to other people, your children or your partner. Try and let go of the control. Become aware of it in yourself. Watch your reactivity, watch your patterns, watch your reactive habits, watch the way you usually go about things, watch the way you usually feel. And if you do this, my friends, you get the drift. Your whole life will change gradually, one moment at a time. And enjoy the journey. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. The best day ever, always. Simple as that. If you don't, come to get you. And if anyone's interested in my free book, I have a free book, Self-Awareness and Living in the Now. Just send me a private message and I'll email you. Soon I'll have my website, and then you can check out also my main book and video course about heal and master yourself and your life, and about healing your family, your relationship and your ancestral line. And for 25% off any herbs at my herb store, really good ones for your adrenal glands, your brain and nerve, your immune system, your liver, your kidneys, your bones and joints and connective tissue, and so much more. Your sexual energy. Just go down below and you can click on the link to any of my services, as well as coaching and relationships and emotional healing and self-awareness. And I love to do all of this stuff. So lots of love. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. And especially, the real life is always in the now. So have a great now moment always. So thanks for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. And if you want to befriend me on social media, just check out my links below again. Okay, thanks. Lots of love. Blessings, and have a great now. Woo! One of my favorite things my kids these days: who can be the silliest? Let's play the game of who can be the silliest. Who can be the silliest? And I say, most of the time, it's much better to be silly than to be wise. It really is. Like, lighten up, be lighthearted, be like the children, as Jesus and many other teachers would say. Learn from those kids in nature. Look at a tree and become wise. And another thing, then my partner and wife, my soul partner, said something really funny today. And who would say what you just said, like it's better to be silly, or it's usually better to be sillier than to be wise? She said, usually think that, would that be a silly person to say that, or a wise person? Or else she said, I think that'd be a wise person might usually say that. Now she said, would it be a silly person or a wise person to say that? And I thought it was pretty funny and clever too. Yeah.